because this thing helped me generate more than $2,000. But to be honest, it's shit. Hello guys, welcome back. So I just dropped Samir for his session. In the meantime, I didn't wanted to waste any time because I am launching a new digital product tomorrow and the website will go live also tomorrow morning only. I had a lot of work to do. So yeah, I'm just currently working in car on the mobile hotspot, which is very shit, but still we can't complain because it gets the work done. So I just brought my laptop with me as I do generally everywhere, and whenever I get time, 15 minutes, half an hour, more than like usually more than half an hour, then I'll take out the laptop and just start working on it. Yet I hear most people complain sitting in their air conditioned room with proper Wi-Fi, with proper PC setup, that they are not able to figure it out. And the thing is, if you want to, you will. If you don't want, nobody on earth could make it happen for you. That's what I believe. It is not always things turning into your favor, so you have to play with the cards that you are dealt with, and that's what I'm doing here. And yeah, that's the most exciting part of launching any product or launching any new store. So I am expecting a very good response from this because this thing helped me generate more than $2,000 in couple of months, or like more than $1,000 this month. I have already collabed with some YouTubers to promote it. They are good in their niche, and let's see how does the audience responds to it. All you need to make it work in this day and age is a proper laptop, a good internet connection, and yeah, a phone. This is pretty much the setup that helped me make more than $3,000-4,000, maybe more than that. I'm not sure about the exact numbers. And the most of the work I did from my mobile itself. So if even you don't have the laptop, the mobile is fine. But it totally depends on the project or the work you are doing on currently. So yeah, a good internet connection, a good working phone, and if you have a laptop, that's best. I have choose a really different niche, and I don't know how the strategy will work out, but you never know until you try. So I will let you guys know how are the things going and what are the numbers we are doing with this ebook. And yeah, after failing so many products, you never lose hope. This could be the one. Guys, almost half hour 45 minutes in, and my laptop sucked up all my internet from the mobile, and now I just have to find another way to somehow get this work done. Because I have more half an hour, I'll try to squeeze in as much of work I could do offline, copywriting, website design, the structuring, everything on a Google Doc or something, and then just copy paste it when I get the internet connection. So that's how it goes. And internet in Dubai is so expensive at the moment. I cannot keep up topping up it every time it gets out, as I have already 2 GB and it's already 100% exhausted. So I will squeeze in all the work I can do in the mobile itself and make the most out of this time, because we have to launch website tomorrow anyhow and get this digital product live, because I am so excited to test it, as I have also poured all my savings I had from all these months working up in Dubai and clearing off my debt. After that, all I had, everything, and when I mean everything, to the single dirham, I have invested in this. So it's kind of exciting to see how the thing works, because from here there's only way up. Even if it's $100, $200, $1,000, $2,000, it's only way up. There is no way down, because I have poured everything. So I hope for the best, and just placing one foot in front of other, because that's all I can do at the moment. So yeah, see you guys.